let's send it over to NBC Connecticut transportation reporter Andrew Rowan.
Andrew's live along I-95 in Milford. Andrew, what is the latest guidance? Can people go out?
The official guidance is still no, and we know a lot of local roads haven't been touched, but as far as the state highways that are managed by DOT crews, I mean, you just said it, this is 95. Cars are flying like there's no snowstorm, there's nothing going on, because the roads do look really good. We saw a whole parade of plows go by a little bit earlier. We've also seen, I don't see any at this exact moment, tons and tons of trucks on the road, despite that commercial ban still in effect. Governor Lamont, though, wants people to stay at home so that the crews that still have work to do have plenty of space to do it. DOT's 650 plows were off to see the blizzard Monday morning, contending with barely any visibility on I-95 in Darien.
I would say, honestly, you guys are probably more adapted to attack the storm more aggressively than we are.
Truck driver Jeremy Rubichet was on the way to New Jersey from Nova Scotia, hauling cod and pollocks. Fresh or
salted today?
He adhered to Connecticut's commercial vehicle ban and spent the night at an I-95 rest stop. How long do you anticipate being here?
I'm hoping to be gone by tomorrow morning early, but see what the road ban says, I guess.
This wall of plows on I-95 in Milford tackled mainly pavement, but blasted snow from the shoulder.
I do know that people are going to start getting very frustrated, more likely to get out on the roads sooner than we think is appropriate. But if people stay off the roads, if the snow slows down by, end of today, I think tomorrow should be a pretty good day.
At Bradley Airport, sweeper brooms cleared snow off the runway, even though 95% of flights were canceled.
It is probably going to be a couple days before the airlines get back up and running. So if anyone's flying tomorrow, even into Wednesday, they should be checking the status of the flight before coming to the airport.
Contractor Colamato is fueling up. His work clearing commercial lots along the shoreline is just beginning.
It's definitely heavy and it's not coming off the roads as easy. It's sticking to the cement.
Now, we're here at the Milford truck stop along I-95, and I want to show you, these are all trucks that have spent the night because of the commercial ban going into effect. So as soon as they get the notification that it's lifted, a lot of them are headed onto the roads, although a couple of them did say they're going to wait for traffic to die down because they like to drive overnight. Something that I think would surprise a lot of people is that the ticket for being caught driving under the commercial ban, meaning you don't have an exception, is only $92. That's something I just learned from the Department of Motor Vehicles. And Bree, I'm going to check my phone real quick just to make sure. A lot of these truck drivers just got in the trucks and are waiting. I called the Department of Transportation to see if they had any news on this commercial ban being lifted. We haven't heard anything, so we're just waiting. Remember, the governor's order when he signed it yesterday at 5 p.m. only said until further notice. So as of right now, we're kind of just waiting. But we have seen here, look, there's one truck right here and then another truck right behind it. And I see one coming in the other direction. So plenty of trucks have decided they're just going to hit the road and take the risk on that. And as soon as we hear, we'll let you know. Here, Bree, I'll send it back to you.